Find the value of A. Well, 8A minus 3 over 3A is equal to 2. So it becomes 8A minus 3 equal to 2 into 3A. 8A minus 3 is equal to 6A. Now we'll transpose it. It is 8A minus 6A equal to plus 3. When it becomes 2A of plus, it is equal to 3. Now A becomes 3 over 2. This is the final answer. The value of A is 3 over 2. This is the answer. So there is another problem. It is 9A over 7 minus 6A. It is equal to 15. So it becomes 9A equal to 15 into 7 minus 6A. It is 9A equal to 105. 15 into 7 is 105 minus 90A. 15 into 6 is 90A. Now 9A is equal to 105 minus 90A. 9A plus 90A is equal to 105. Now it is 99A. 9 plus 90 is 99A is equal to 105 and A is equal to 105 over 99. So we'll cancel it with 3. It is 33 and it is 35. So the value of A becomes 35 over 33. This is the answer.